Hello students, I am Bharati Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see the condition where straight line inclined to one plane and parallel to another. So these are the planes, that is, this is VP and this is HP. First we will see the condition where line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP and parallel to VP. So draw a line which is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So for this, first I will draw a reference line and then draw a line which is parallel to VP. Now draw a line suppose this is the line A and B. So this is the inclination angle theta, that is line inclined to HP having an angle theta. So the line AB we have drawn. So this is the direction of observer for front view and this is the direction of observer for top view. Give here name X and Y, which are the intersection points of VP and HP. Now when we will see from this direction for front view, and front view will appear in VP, so we will draw front view. So take projections and now draw front view. And which is also inclined to HP, so draw inclination angle also. So this is the angle theta, inclination angle, and this is the line. Give name of these 2 points as A dash and B dash, as we are giving dash names in front view. So this is the front view. Now for top view, we will see from top and the line will look like this. Take projections of points A and B and now draw the line . I will extend this line. So this is the point A and B and this is top view. So this is front view, this is top view, and this is our line. As I will draw by dark lines, because these are the lines which are required. So this is the condition where line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now this is a presentation in 3D. Now we will draw its presentation in 2D. For this, it will be like, draw this horizontal line x and y, above is VP and below the XY line is HP. Now in front view there is an inclined line, so now I will take a random distance and draw the inclined line. Take any angle theta and measure any length. Like this. So this is angle theta and this is front view having points A dash and B dash. Now for drawing top view, I will take projections of points A dash and B dash, and now we will draw top view like this. Give name to these points as this is point B and this is point A, which is a top view. Now this is the presentation in 2D of line which is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now we will take one example. We will draw here. Suppose the example is a straight line of true length 70 mm, true length 70 mm, has its end A on HP, has end A on HP and 20 mm in front of VP and 20 mm in front of VP. In front of VP and inclined at 40 degree to the HP and inclined at 40 degree to HP. Draw the plane length of the line. So in this condition there is a true length given as 70 mm, has end A on HP. So its end A is on HP, that is on XY line. So first I will draw XY line. Then this is given as the line is 40 degree inclined to HP. Suppose I will take any one point and measure angle 40 degree. As we know, inclined line will appear in front view. So 40 degree angle. So this is the line, and the line has its end A on HP. And A on HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So 20 mm distance below the XY line. So I will measure 20 mm from this point. So this is 20 mm below XY line. Now true length of line is given as 70 mm. So I will draw 70 mm on inclined line which we have already drawn by measuring angle 40 degree. So 70 distance I have taken, and this is angle 40 degree. So I have measured 70 distance on this line. Or you can draw this straight line, this inclined line which is having angle 40, and measure distance 70 in your rounder and then mark arc. So measure 70 distance in your rounder and then you can draw arc like this. So where you get point B. So this is front view. I will give names as A dash and B dash. Having true length is equals to 70, and this is front view, and there is a top view below XY line. Now for top view, 20 distance below given. So from this we have to draw the line. Now for front view, take projections. For top view, take projections from front view. So this is the top view of line. Give name to top view as point A and point B. This distance is 20. So show 20 distance on this line. And now we can measure the length of top view, which is 53. So you can write here plane length is equals to 53. That is actual length of line, that is true length, is 70, and we have taken projection for top view, and then we got length 53 for top view. So in this way you can draw any line having any angle inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now we will take another example in which a line AB having length 35, line AB having length 35 mm, has its end 10 mm above HP and 10 mm above HP. Line is parallel to VP and 20 mm in front of it. 20 mm in front of VP. So 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection. And plan length is 20 mm. Draw projections. Line is parallel to VP given. I will read example again. A line AB of length 35 mm has its end 10 mm above HP. Line is parallel to VP and 20 mm in front of VP. And plan length is 20 mm. Draw the projection. So here given कि line is parallel to VP. Line is parallel to VP. So first I will draw XY line. This is XY line. Now 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP distance given. So measure 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw parallel line to XY. Then true length of line is 75 given and plan length is 20 mm given. So for this, as we know, plan length 20 mm. So first draw 20 mm, which is plan length. Suppose I will take from this point so take 20 mm, which is a plan length, and give its name as A and B. Now on this line, that is from points A and B, take projections in front view. Now true length AB is 35 given and its one point is here. So here point A dash. Now measure 35 distance in rounder. 35 distance in rounder. And draw a arc on this vertical line. So here we got point B dash. Now join point A dash and B dash. Join points A dash and B dash. Which is a true length 35. True length 35, and here top view, this is plan length 20. Now In this example, inclination angle is not given. Now after drawing front view and top view, we can measure inclination angle. First I will show here distances, which is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. This is front view, this is top view, and now we can measure inclination angle theta. Inclination angle theta. For this I will extend this line so we can measure correctly. And the angle is 51.5 degree. So which is theta, 51.5 degree. You can see here after 50, so theta is 51 degree or 51.5 degree. 51.5. So this is example on a line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now we will take second condition in which line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So this is VP and this is HP. Now I will draw the line. So inclination angle is theta and this is the suppose line AB. This point is point B and point A. Now for front view, this is the direction for front view, and for top view we can see from top. So for top view, now take projections in for drawing front view from point A and point B. And this is front view having points A dash and B dash. Now we will draw top view. Take projections from point A and B. And draw a line A dash B dash. This is angle phi. Suppose inclination angle is phi. So take, for top view we will see the line as it is. So draw line. Show inclination angle also, which is phi. So this is top view having points A and B. So this is front view, this is top view. This intersection line is X and Y. This is VP, HP, line AB which is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. A dash B dash is its front view and AB is top view. So this is representation in 3D. Now we will show this line in 2D by taking random distance. Suppose this is line X and Y. Take random distance and draw lines. So in front view we will see horizontal line and in top view we will see inclination. So front view, is horizontal line and top view is inclination. So I will take projection. Suppose the inclination angle we will take random. Suppose this is 40 length of line and this is random inclination angle phi. Give name as point A and B as it is top view. So for front view, take projections. This line I have drawn random and its name as point A and point B, which is a top view and angle phi. For drawing front view, I will take projections from points A and B and now draw front view like this. So this is point A dash and point B dash. Front view, this is VP and this is HP. So like this we can solve the examples. Now we will take one example. Distance between projectors A and B of line AB of true length 75 mm is 50 mm. So true length is given as 75 mm and distance between points A and B, distance between A and B is 50 mm and A is 20 mm in front of VP. A is 20 mm in front of VP and 25 mm above HP. 25 mm above HP. Draw projections of line AB. This is the given condition. distance between end projectors A and B of true length 75 mm is 50 mm and A is 20 mm in front of VP and 25 mm above HP. Line is parallel to HP. Line is parallel to HP. Draw the projections of the lines. So this is the example. Now we will draw, as it is given, line is parallel to HP and distance with true length is given and distance between A and B is also given. So true length is 75 mm which is in top view where inclination angle is also present, and distance between A and B is 50 mm which is in front view. So first draw XY line. So X and Y. Now 20 mm in front of VP and 25 mm above HP. So measure 25 above HP and 20 in front of VP. Then we will draw a line AB having distance 50 mm is given. So draw parallel line to line XY and measure 50 mm on this line. So this is 40 distance. We have to draw 50. I will extend this line and this is 50 mm distance. Give name to these points as point A dash and B dash. Now take projections from A dash and B dash. Here distance between A and B is 50 given. So this is 50. Now take projections from A dash and B dash. And as we know, true length is 75 mm given. So take 75 distance in your rounder. 75 distance in rounder and mark from this point. Give name to this point as point A, and from A measure 75 in rounder and draw arc on the line. Like this. So this is the total distance 75 mm. So draw line and give name to this point as point B. This is true length 75. This is top view and this is front view. Now we can measure inclination angle. and here show distance 25 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. So this is angle phi. You can measure angle like this. Which is 51 degree. From this is 51 degree. So phi is nothing but 51 degree. So like this you can solve other examples.